With a high-speed broadband network, the illumination of mainland Australia begins here today in Brunswick. This is the next step, the next generation to deliver high-speed internet access to all Australians.
Well, good morning and welcome to Brunswick on this historic day for the National Broadband Network and for Brunswick. Today we're here to officially mark the first customers in Brunswick being connected to superfast broadband.
The rollout of the NBN for Brunswick really has been an exciting time for us. It really is a historic day, and not just for Moreland, I guess, and Victoria, but certainly for Australia. It's certainly a big day. Moreland is among, the first mainland communities connecting into the NBN, and we may be down under here, but this new network delivers Brunswick a place in world history and puts us on the map. Brunswick really has been a standout choice to display the diverse ways people of all ages will access the National Broadband Network. Our Moreland community is certainly engaged, diverse, creative and extremely colourful. Moreland is one of the most multicultural municipalities, not just here in Victoria but Australia. Communication is our key and our family connections span the globe. We will embrace the NBN and won't leave anyone behind.
Can I also acknowledge our local mayor and thank you for having us here in your municipality. When I first moved from South Australia to Melbourne all those years ago, the first place I lived was in Brunswick, so it's good to be back. Over the next 5 years, the digital economy will grow twice as fast as the rest of the economy, twice as fast. It will contribute a further $20 billion per year to the Australian economy, and that's on top of the $50 billion per year that it already contributes. And it will create 80,000 new jobs.
Good morning and thank you to the Prime Minister. It is an absolute pleasure to be here with you in my hometown for yet another significant milestone in the National Broadband Network's early history here in Brunswick. The first site in Victoria and the first site in mainland capital city to go live for testing.
Brunswick is more than just the third location in mainland Australia to be connected to the NBN. It is the first metropolitan area anywhere in the country to do so. Brunswick was identified because it's an established urban area in the middle of one of Australia's great cities. It has a diverse population. 125 languages are spoken here. It has communications infrastructure that's decades old. Incidentally, just like the people who have already accepted a line, every Brunswick resident will still be able to receive a free standard NBN installation once the network is up and running, and they can order services from the telcos and ISPs with whom we are partnering.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it.
Storyboards on various issues of council. This is one of them, so we want to present this to you.
Thank you very much.
And thank you again once again for the opportunity. Can we get a photo?
My name's Tilda.